Hi everyone, meet the KSBD Reborn Baby Doll, an 18-inch lifelike baby girl weighing just under 3 pounds. This realistic doll features hand-painted hair, hand-applied eyelashes, and soft vinyl limbs with a weighted cloth body for a true-to-life feel. You can dress her in authentic 3-month-old baby clothes, making playtime even more creative and fun. She comes with a complete gift set including a nursing bottle, magnetic pacifier, birth certificate, and a cute pink outfit. Crafted from non-toxic, environmentally friendly materials, this doll meets strict safety standards for kids aged 3 and up. Perfect for role-playing, gifting, or collecting, she offers warmth, companionship, and joy. Experience the magic of holding a doll that looks and feels just like a real newborn baby. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.